This is Tajamuladil. This week I'm reviewing Aputure Mini RGB Tube Light and MC12 Light Production Kit. The MC12 Light Production Kit include a hard case and accessories. Compact full color spectrum lights. The Aputure MC light provides a range of illumination. Let's do an unboxing of MT Pro Mini RGB Tube Light. At a very competitive price, the MT Pro is a pixel tube that can produce animated effects. The MT Pro price is $199 and you can find the buying links in the video description. On the right side of the MT Pro, you will find a power on button. There is a good build quality to the MT Pro because the fixture is all metal and the bezel is thin. It is relatively compact. The MT Pro's lithium polymer battery provides 15.5 watt of power, which can last approximately 2 hours at maximum output. The MT Pro Pixel Tube allows animated effect despite the fact that full color mixing is common. In the main menu on the back of the MT Pro, you can select the CCT option with higher and lower intensities. Besides the light minimum and maximum setting of 20,000 and 10,000 at 100%, 50% and 5% output, measurements were taken from a single range of 1 meter at 2800, 3200, 4200, 5600 and 6500. In the main menu, you can find the HSI option where you can set the intensity level, saturation and hue. This is also an RGB menu option where we can set different intensity levels and colors. Different FX modes in all the animated effects have a different amount of configurability, which makes them a lot more useful. HSI measurements were not made in full, but a spot check of the 4200 HSI option revealed 95 TLCI, 88R12 and 82R9 at 0 saturation. A key feature of the MT Pro is its pixel effects, which take advantage of its 36 pixel. There are 7 built-in pixel effects: color fade, color cycle, 1 pixel color, 1 pixel chase, 2 pixel chase, 3 pixel chase, rainbow and pixel fire. In order to pair with the Sidus link, we need to reset the Bluetooth mode, open the Sidus link app on a smartphone and complete the pairing process as shown in the video. On the Sidus link app, select the MT Pro option and we can find different options such as charging the intensity of the light or turning it off. We have a lot of animated effects, so all you have to do is click on the effect and click on the play button. It shows you different cool effects. In the MT Pro, 9 system effects are built in. These include fireworks, fire, paparazzi, faulty bulbs, television, pulsing, cop cars, lighting and party lights. M3 Pro is of course controlled by the Sidus link just like all other Aputure lights. A multitude of lighting effects is available such as built-in system effects. Sidus Pro effects is including manual effects, system effects, picker effects, magic program and music effects as well as pixel effects. The Aputure MC 12 light production kit comes with a charging case and accessories. I'm doing an unboxing and let's see what's inside the box. Practically and as special effect, these lights are fun to use. When I shoot product photos, I usually grab one or two to add some color and accent. The 5 MC lights I have dedicated to test as a group. It's now possible you can control all of them simultaneously and you can control them each by each. In order to switch all the MC lights simultaneously, I have already added all the lights to a group. The intensity level of all these lights should be increased. As a group, I am going to show you fireworks, fire paparazzi, faulty bulbs, TV, pulsing cop cars, lightning, party lights and more. Create a group to control all lights simultaneously by selecting the palette mode and clicking the plus button. We can turn on the MC light using the side button, and at the bottom we have a mount option which allows you to mount the light onto a tripod, and an off and on button on the right side, USB-C and slider options. The LED display is found on top of the MC light, and there we can change the measurements range from 6500 to 3200 as well as the light's minimum and maximum settings of 100%, 50% and 5% output. We have the HSI option on the main menu where you can adjust the saturation, hue and intensity. Let's first reset the Bluetooth mode of the MC single light and pair it with the smartphone. It won't take long to pair the MC single light with the smartphone using the Sidus Link app. The MC light setting allow you to fine-tune the output, select your color with a pinpoint accuracy, and access a multitude of lighting effects such as built-in system effects, Sidus Pro effects, manual effects, system effects, picker effects, music effects, and even pixel effects. Aputure and Emerald fixtures have 9 built-in system effects including fireworks, fire, paparazzi, faulty bulbs, TV, pulsing, cop cars, lightning, and party lights, each controlling several layers of variables. Now in this video I'm showing you remaining MC12 Light production kit accessories and where they are hidden. Right on the charging case, you will find a plug option for 220 volt which can be tightly plugged in. We can now charge all 12 lights on our charging case by opening the box and pressing the power button. A full brightness MC will last approximately 2 hours and a minimum brightness MC will last 15 hours. By using these USB-C cables, we can charge different devices. So let's see how to do this and make sure all the USB-C connections are working properly. The charging process takes approximately 90 minutes via USB PD, approximately 2 hours via USB, DC 5 volt 2 ampere, and approximately 3.5 hours via wireless charging. When charging, each charging pad has an LED light that changes color. Red is charging and green means done. The following video show you how you can set up MC RGB light for vlogging on a mini tripod. The Aputure MC Pro and MC12 Light production kit are perfect for the content creators at home and studio setup. MC Pro's buying price is $199 and you can find the buying links in the video description. The MC12 Light production kit price is $1275 and you can find the buying links in the video description. Don't forget you can also buy a single MC light which costs you $79 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in space heaters, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.